Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. On the second position we've got Languages and Input, and here we've got Languages. And here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all we have to do right now is simply find the language we would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, maybe French. Let's tap on it, and here we can also choose the region. So the same situation, just tap on the one you like to use. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our list, but the English is still a main language. So in order to change it, in order to set the French as a main one, let's tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now I can move it, so just drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it and the language actually immediately changes, so which means that from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. Let's go back to the languages, tap on the English in my case obviously, and drag it to the very first position, and the same situation. So actually this is it. This is how to change the language in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Now let me show you how to remove it from this list, because for some reason you do not need two different languages, right? So in order to remove the language from this level, we have to tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Right now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and in my case it will be French, and tap on this trash bin icon. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove selected language, so just tap on Remove, and as you can see right now we are left only with English. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.